depending on your usage.
Yeah.
Okay, right. And the second one is froth. So you can get a froth sometimes when you make particularly tea, but you get it with coffee as well.
You do, and as we know from our experiences, people basically think froth on coffee is quite normal and it's not usually a problem for
the
them.
cappuccino effect sort of thing.
Exactly that, yeah. But with tea, obviously, it's always seen as being quite unsightly. But the main cause of that is basically air.
Okay.
Because when you activate the boiling water, the actual boiling water comes out of the tap at such a high speed and it creates a lot of air particles.
Particularly if you leave the tea bag in first.
Exactly that. So what we recommend is that what you do is that you activate the boiling water.
Wait for it to boil, get properly boiling.
Yeah. So what you do, you put your boiling water into the cup. Like
And
so.
you can see the air there as it's coming out.
It shows it really, really well.
Yeah.
And all that you do is allow 5 to 10 seconds for the air to dissipate. So as you can see now, yeah, it's pretty much gone.
Bag in.
Yeah, tea bag in, let it brew, give it a stir, and yeah, job done.
Brilliant, thanks.